Welcome to WonderBloom Kids! Bloom, something doesn't look right. The friendship tree looks very sleepy. Why is the friendship tree losing its magic? I don't know, but we have to help it. The acorn is showing us the way. Let's follow it. It might help save the friendship tree. Look, these footprints weren't here before. Someone has been here. Let's follow them. The magic here is disappearing too. The friendship tree must be connected to this spring. This flower is losing its magic too. We have to save it before it's too late. The petal is showing us the way. Come on, let's follow the magical trail. Kindness brings magic back. Every little flower matters. The forest is trying to help us. Let's follow the magic. It's waking up. Kindness is bringing the forest's magic back. The forest is healing. Let's hurry and help the friendship tree. Look, the friendship tree is waking up. The magic is coming back. The friendship tree is thanking us. We'll always take care of our friends. WonderBloom is beautiful again. The friendship tree is happy because we helped with kind hearts. We'll always take care of you. And we'll always take care of each other. Kindness makes every friendship stronger, and friendship keeps WonderBloom full of magic. We did it! Kind hearts made the magic shine again. Thank you for joining our adventure. Remember, kindness makes every friendship grow. Woof! Thanks for joining our WonderBloom adventure. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next magical adventure. We'll see you again very soon.